Hello, good day everyone. So again, this is your coach Joyce and welcome to our community. Now, Life's Purpose Community, or this GC, and at the same time our group page is actually for everyone who wants to learn and to share their expertise, as well as for us to offer you the best that we could do in order to help you out in terms of your spirituality and in terms of your how you'll be able to help you with your day-to-day lives. Today, as I promised, I'm gonna help you guys on how to teach you or how to do cleansing. Now, I know majority of you has already know what cleansing is, but for the sake of everyone that's in the GC who's new for or who's new dito sa practices natin, I would like to share some insight on how I usually do cleansing. Let me start with idea of what cleansing is. Honestly, cleansing in layman's term is to clean. Tagalog, paglilinis. There are lots of ways to do cleansing. The simplest, maligo. Yeah, honestly. Like, what the fudge? Bakit maligo? Ganon. No, kasi ganito yan. Physically, you cleanse through taking a bath. And then, you nagtututbrush. You wash your down there if you pee or you poop. That's cleansing. Kasi basically you're removing all the toxicity or toxin sa balat mo o sa katawan mo na na-absorb mo from daily basis, and that's why you cleanse. That's why you take a bath. But that's the physical form of cleansing. Now, we have another type of cleansing, which is emotional cleansing. Honestly, maraming ways to do emotional cleansing, but let's go back to taking a bath. Do you know that emotional cleansing you can also do taking baths while doing emotional cleansing? How? When you are full of pain, okay? Yung sobrang bigat, sobrang sakit na ng nararamdaman mo, iniwan ka ng jowa mo, iniwan ka ng ganto, tinakbuhan ka ng inutangan mo, niloko ka ni ganto, or binackstab ka ni ganyan, was like, ang hirap, di ba? Ang sakit. Kasi pinagkatiwala mo yung mga pagkakatiwala mo. So, how are you gonna do emotional cleansing using taking a bath, by taking a bath? Simple. Warm water bath really helps. Kung wala, you do take a shower, and then kung kaya mo maglagay ng lavender essence habang naliligo ka. But basically, kahit yung warm water lang, maligo ka ng warm water, tapos iiyak mo lang lahat ng nararamdaman mo. That's already emotional cleansing. No harm done. Like, hindi mo kinakailangan ng sobrang bigat o sobrang daming process to do emotional cleansing. Katulad lang ng physical cleansing, maligo ka, kuha ka tabo o mag-shower ka, and then you scrub yung katawan mo with soap, and then yung buhok mo with shampoo, you're down there with feminine wash or something. But what I'm trying to say is that you don't need to make cleansing complicated. Ang simplest, ayun nga, physically, and then yung emotional cleansing, while you're taking a bath, you cry it all out. Yung the moment you cry out, alam ko hindi lahat kaya to kasi may mga taong hirap umiyak kapag kahit na hirap na yung sitwasyon nila. But if you could, like, cry it out. Kasi the moment na you cry it out during taking a bath, lalo na kung warm water bath siya, and then you can smell chamomile or lavender, yung emotions natin, or we're sensing yung mga emotions natin is, yung mga negative emotions natin, nawawash out. Nagkakaroon tayo ng calmness within us that would really help us na kumalma yung emotions, mabawasan yung bigat na nararamdaman natin. And then, so, another thing would be the spiritual cleansing. Ito yung madalas na sinasabi ng karamihan na, paano yan? Ang hirap, hindi ko alam. Balik tayo sa pinaka-simplest form of cleansing, which is physical. Ano ba yun? Paliligo. Yes po. Through paliligo, you can also cleanse your soul or your spiritual aspect. How? You take a bath. the usual. Pero this time, yung pangbanlaw mo, lagyan mo isang dakot na asin. Yun yung pinakamura, pinakasimple, pinakamadali nating magagawa. Okay, scientifically, if you add salt to the water na pangbabanlawan mo, nagiging alkalinized yung salt, ay yung water. Hindi naman kinakailangan maglasang tubig dagat siya, pero ang idea is, sa isang balding tubig, lagyan mo isang dakot ng asin, then hayaan mo na siya matunaw, then yun yung pambanlaw nyo. Hindi naman kinakailangan from start to finish ng ligo is may asin. I do not know with other practices but for me, what I do is that I take a bath, the usual, and then I visualize that habang nagliligo ako, nakiklense yung physical body ko, nakiklense yung emotions ko, and at the same time yung spirit ko, yung soul ko, spirituality ko. And then, yun nga, banlaw, shampoo, sabon, and then supposedly, di ba magbabanlaw ka na ulit para matanggal yung mga impurities o yung mga sinabon mo. Yun yung lalagyan mo ngayon ng asin. Ngayon, pag nilagyan mo siya ng asin, you visualize, and then you have that intention na nakiklense ka. So, that's a really good form of cleansing. Another thing, yung iba pa kasing mga practices of cleansing oneself aside from taking a bath, I think dito tayo maraming nagtatanong kung paano. Kasi basically, taking a bath is easy. Another way for us to cleanse is to use Palo Santo. You smoke using herbs. May it be kamangyang. It may be sage. May it be mugwort, rosemaries, or kung ano mang insensong gusto nyo. Yes, I do not use the word smudging because smudging is only used for Native Americans. Sabi nga nila, sila lang yung pwede. So, okay. I use the term smoking incense. Ganun. You can also makinig ng mga cleansing meditation or music. You can always get that on YouTube. Just that, when you listen or when you do the smoking or yung pag-burn ng Palo Santo, ng mga kamangyang sa sarili mo, ng mga sage, you do the cleansing music, you visualize, you put an intention to yourself na hindi mo lang siya pinausukan, but naniniwala ka rin na with this, nakiklense ka. Yun ang importante. See, ang simple-simple ng ways to do cleansing. Actually, I know for sure, marami tayong mga admins o Hana admins dito. Marami tayong practitioners sa community and they'll be able to share their best practices to you as well on how to cleanse. But for me, the most basic way to cleanse is to take a bath. Yes, ganun lang siya kasimple. Even if you just take a bath and then habang naliligo ka siguro, bukas yung YouTube mo and then you're listening to like cleansing music, yung mga Tibetan singing bowls, yung may mga high frequencies na nakalagay cleansing music sa YouTube that is actually charged by cleansing energies. Pero, again, ulitin ko lang, reiterate ko lang para aware tayo na walang silbi. For me this is for me. Walang silbi ang pag-cleanse mo ng sarili mo kung hindi ka rin naniniwalang nakiklense ka sa mga ginagawa sa'yo o ginagawa mong cleansing. Kasi number one thing that kailangan natin sa spiritual path is yung beliefs natin, yung faith natin. So, yeah, for now, ito muna yung i-share ko. But if ever you have other questions or other mga practices ng mga kasama natin dito that they would like to share on how they do cleansing, sila naman yung bahala. But again, this is Coach Joyce and super duper mega hanap. Thank you sa pag-support nyo dito sa community natin. I really appreciate it. And then until next time sa mga susunod kong teachings. Bye-bye!